So I commend to you these measures that will help you to have online meetings more efficient in terms of business development and more efficient in terms of account management. And the landscape has changed utterly in the last 4 months. It's now completely acceptable to have online meetings from a selling point of view. And what I would encourage people to do is use the existing sales material that you have, refine it if you need to for online meetings, which tend to be shorter, snappier, and if you're sharing the screen to show visual stuff, get engaged and practice it internally. There is a product category that I'm aware of that's called sales enablement software, and it's a tool that specifically allows you to more efficiently present your business, present your company, deal with inquiries as they come down the line. And I commend to you, if you Google sales enablement software, you will probably find something for your business or your sector that's very specific. There are also platforms where people talk about required remote selling survival kits, and I commend to you a snapshot of one of those. So again, the timing is right for increasing your online business development and account management activity, and I commend these tools to you. Start downloading them, play with them, try them out for free, but do start. In summary, since March 2020, there's been a tectonic cultural shift in the use of online meetings overall. There's been a sustained change in people's behavior regarding the use of online meetings and the acceptance of it as a mainstream activity. Online meetings and online selling are part of the new normal, and doing it well quite often looks very easy. When we listen to and we talk to and we engage with people, they can make it look very easy. It isn't done well. Doing it well isn't easy, but it is worthwhile. So if as a result of this session today, I encourage you to continue with the path you may already be on in terms of your online meetings and the experiences you've had, and to build on that and say, I'm going to have a technology plan, I'm going to have a tech tools plan, I'm going to have a staff coaching and engagement plan, and I'm going to make some changes to the way I do my meetings by bringing my colleagues, my staff, my customers with me. I'm going to use online sources to more proactively use online meetings to generate leads, engage with leads, qualify those leads, pitch my business, and then take that process through. There's lots of tools out there to support, and it's a lot of work, but it is worthwhile. And in fact, it represents very much part of the new normal that we face moving forward. So that's very much a run through developing and designing measures for more effective online meetings. I'm going to now say thank you very much for listening to me, and I'm going to hand back to Deborah.